Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. 2.4-inch drop point blade made with 8CR13 MOV high-performance steel for edge retention, toughness and corrosion resistance. The Shuffle is a tough little folding pocket carry, great for backpacking, hiking, tailgating, fishing, hunting, gardening, or for use around the office. Stylish purple handle, contoured for comfort, and made with a durable glass-filled nylon with K texture for secure grip. Reversible deep carry pocket clip allows user to adjust the tip position or side on which the carries. Uses include opening packages, tightening screws, cleaning fish, breaking down boxes, removing bottle caps, and making kindling for a fire. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Kershaw Cinder Copper has everything desirable in small keychain knife. Perfect for pack, pocket, at home or in the car. And make quick, accurate, easy, efficient, convenient, fast work of any task. Copper handles give this mini knife a unique look. Will develop an attractive patina over time. Upswept tip positions the edge at a convenient position for cutting, breaking down boxes or cut twine and string. Manual open knife with thumb stud, featuring an exposed liner lock for visual appeal. Sports a handy bottle opener at back end of knife and showcases beautiful and copper handle scales. The Kershaw Cinder is the perfect addition to every keychain, pack, pocket or purse. Built-in bottle opener makes this multi-function mini knife even better. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Dimensions: 2.5-inch, 6.35 centimeters. Overall length with a blade length of 1.75 inches, 4.45 centimeters, and a weight of 2.72 ounces. Durable. Blade is made of reliable 8CR13 MOV high-carbon stainless steel with a black G10 handle. Dependable. Quick and easy access with the convenient Ultra Glide technology. Dual-function money clip, pocket clip and finger flipper, making it ideal for everyday carry. Secure. Have confidence that the blade will not slip with the security of the frame lock. Includes Tanto blade and bottle opener. Guaranteed. This product is covered by a limited lifetime warranty. For questions or contact us on the Smith & Wesson website. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Thumb stud smoothly assists blades manual open in classic style. Liner lock securely lock blade during use. Steel plate moves behind open blade to prevent wiggle and unexpected fold back. Open length: 4 inches. Closed length: 2.6 inches. Slightly longer than average key, making it perfect for keychain carry. Uniquely small yet capable for daily tasks. Two-toned wonder opens packages, breaks down boxes, trims stems, cuts duct tape, twine and rope, notches, wood and more. Kershaw backs its knives with limited assurance for lifetime of original owner. Knives are assuranced against defects in material and construction and to perform as advertised.